on the Badboy 4035. Just trying to get some of this dirt right here leveled. Got to extend the pad just a few more feet backwards. Let's see. So basically got to come out to this little grass area, bring it up, and maybe widen it. Alright, it's been about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. I got about half of this 18 yards kind of leveled here. Still got to feather it out more and shape it, but so far it's doing good. The thing has a lot of power. Got to be careful lifting up. The back end wants to come up. I may need to put a box blade or some weights in the back to keep her down, because when she comes up, when you're scooping up, the side starts to lift. So you got to scoop and curl to even out the bucket. Other than that, no problem, no lack of power. I was having a problem in B, the higher gear. A seems to be really good. She has all the power in A. Running about 2 to 2200 RPMs. Got a storm brewing back there. But yeah, she's doing good. Badboy 35. I'm Santos, Ortiz Farm. Thanks for watching. I'm trying to get more footage, but I don't know where my tripod went, so. All right, a little bit more time. Got it extended probably, I don't know, 5 feet, 5 to 8 feet maybe. So, all the way over there. She's doing good. I'm just kind of dumping off the edge here and then dragging the bucket. So I got almost one pile complete. That's 2 piles right there. They're almost gone. Now I'm gonna start bringing it on this side, and then when I'm done spreading it, ooh, soft, back that, I'll turn around, drag the bucket, and then kind of give it like a nice little shape. So it's not just a ant mound. Yeah, it's pretty soft, so it's gonna need to pack. But so far it's doing good. 4035 Badboy, doing good. It's a little light in the rear though. I might have to get that stuff in there, in the tires. I forgot the name of it, but I just saw it the other day, so I'm gonna try to get that stuff pumped in there, give me some weight in the back. It definitely needs it. This thing has a lot of power, and it's a little light, so maybe carry a box blade on the back, put the solution in the tires, probably give me an extra 100 pounds maybe. I gotta look into that. So anyhow, I wish I can get some recording here, but I can't. works. It's really nice. You probably saw a couple times it come up on the back side. That thing grabs a lot of dirt and just wants to rip it up. It's really, really strong. A lot of power for 35 horse. So I think if we add the ballast weights in the tires, the liquid rim guard, I think it's called, it'll be a lot better. But yeah, check it out. It's doing a really good job. This dirt's gonna have to pack though. So it's 4 loads. I got maybe 1.5 left. But you can see I'm sloping it nice. Let's try to go back. Beautiful out here. We missed that storm. So there, check that out. That's a big pad. That's a big pad. That's a big pad. Bum, bum. Beautiful out here. Yeah, so that's nice. That's gonna be perfect for the steel building. I think I might throw some more dirt on this backside here, just to give me some more length. I think I got the width. I think I got 25 feet. Probably do. My stakes. I'll measure these out later. Where's this other one at? Probably buried it. Anyway. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. I'm going to be doing more work with this bad boy. No pun intended. Ooh, gotta fix that. Anyhow, we got some fence to pull up. Gonna use the bucket with a rope. Pull them up. I want to knock some mounds down back there. We'll do a video of the bad boy rotary cutter. I did a little cut yesterday. Man, that thing, wow, quiet, really quiet. And man, you didn't even know it was really on. Not like the zero turn's nice, but it's fucking loud. This thing can be a little loud, but nothing compared to, you know, the zero turn is really, really loud. So I'm really liking this thing. I think this was a good investment for the property. Let's see how much fuel I've used. Did use some fuel, let's see. Just less than a half a tank, guys. And that was doing work yesterday. A little bit of grading, nothing too serious. But this pad's coming out really, really nice. This is a lot of dirt. This is 4 loads he brought this week. He brought 4 previously, and I think he brought 6 the week before, a few months ago. And it's been sitting. It's pretty compacted. It's been through a couple storms, and like I said, the house pad's right there, and the pond is. Can you get that? The pond's right there. So we're gonna be facing that way, looking into that pasture. Some of that's yours. Some of that's my neighbor's, who we have a lease with for his cows. But all right. Well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.